Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Ahmad Tech. Friends, as you know, we are discussing about talking about the online earning and Daraz.pk is one of the source of online earning for the students in Pakistan. So we have already discussed about it, Daraz.pk and creating account of it. How can we create its account? We have seen that. Now we will see that which categories it will provide for the online earning. We will see there. So first of all, we see that you can also sell electronics for the online earning. It is first category in the Daraz.pk. In the electronics, there could be different usable electronics as mobile phones, uh, LEDs, and iron and refrigerator, refrigerator. These are the source of earning. Could be a lot of and other electronics and other one category is items of items of clothing. In clothing, there could be different things. For example, boots, shoes, shirts, and kurtas. These are also on will be available on Daraz.pk. And after it, if you see the other codes and different clothing things will be available here. Next is the fashion wear. It means the fashion wears as casual coats, summer coats, and the pants, shirts. These all are in the fashion wears also. And home livings. It means the things that are mostly used in the homes uh, that will be sold out, and you can also earn money from these. And other is groceries and the pets. These can also be sold out. And other is motors, and after it motors and sports and gaming. And these all are the categories that could be the source of online earning through the Daraz.pk. It is most usable online earning. If we see earning websites are the platform. So this was all about it that we have described. So you can subscribe our channel.